Next year, I'm buying me working 50 years celebration blong, independence blong Papua New Guinea. Mi are implanti ol yang pla ol Papua New Guineans oli wok lo tok tok. Oli tok buy me celebrating one. Time independence he come up. You got 1 kina and you can buy him $3. Now mi sanap lo yeah, you got 1 kina and buy him 19 US cents. Plan the time you mi look lo measurement blong well against mi pla by you pla looking all same. You mi walk lo go backside lo narbla country well on 1975. You mi stop front long all. Desala I mean no talk story where Governor Blo East Sepiek now he talk long him. This la whole world he looks away long him. All country also Solomon Islands, Fiji, or ligli country also now. Say Julius Chen mi talk long him. Only abrusi mi pla pinis. Where lo 1975 mi play been stop pass long all. This la something. Suppose you papa mama you stop, you must worry lo this plus something. Suppose you young man, young marry, you plan lo you got family. Lo next year or year you go behind. Or you come up in Pigini and me baby yet na stop lo susu. You must worry lo this plus something. Because how by Pigini blow you stop lo behind time. Also said Julius he talk pinis. This la failure, ino blow pikinini, ino blow you blow man marry, ino all man marry nothing is sitting down na. Control him stia blow country. All member blow parliament say control him stia blow country. Now suppose you mean or run him country go lo halfway. All people blame me by sitting down na hamamas. Na stop lo good bla life. By aswa blow side. By aswa blow people. Or asuablo leaders. Now. So me like make him the legally talk lo desplay. Because me work lo stop na thinking of them. Now I'm 49 years now, by me celebrating long country. By me give him one kind good pla talk save go long all young pla blo tomorrow. By me building one pla society, democratic society, he got justice, equality, and prosperity for all. Now you must have this black country, he no got justice long em. He no got equality long em. He got prosperity, that's all this black prosperity. Emblo sambla life. You must look save lo this black heavy na you must treat him na sense him. Na this black sense emo leader that's all by make him. Me been making one black neck. Na me been ask him all same. Please, enough government, he looks away. Now give him all get a province block grant, now all by look at him all yet. Now yet, me san up live, blue plan, me can talk him with straight of same. Time he no got power long East Sepiek. Time he no got power long New Island. Display national government responsibility, no me bla provincial government. Time police no making work blong him good. Now he no got law and order. Lo one province inside lo display country. Despla, ino responsibility blomi bla provincial government. Emi national government responsibility. Time all main highway na road bagarap long East Sepiek o bagarap long Simbu o ino go good long kainap all some central province o igolo bulolo. Despla responsibility blo national government. Ino responsibility blo provincial government. Sing out blomi lo block grant. Suppose you mean up lo strong in all province. That's la 22 pla lake block country. Then country by sanap strong, people by sanap strong. Now yet me sanap lai blow you bla. Last year budget, national government he broke him. 16% emi go long all province. 16%. 1/6. 84% emi stop lo hand blow national government. Sing out blow me em all same. National government must give him at least 40% he go all get a province. Yet can hold him 60%. All he can round overseas so some all ministers I make him all get a time. All he can go na sleep hotel overseas country. Kiss him travel allowance. All he can kai 60%. 40% must go back. Lo people lo Papua New Guinea. Me no bell heavy lo government lo want him something. Me struggle lo East Sepiek na stop. All get a governor me plus struggle na stop. All get the resources and national government as also hold him. Mi plus stop also beggar man ba mi plus go cry piney mall minister round. Minister amamas lo you and by giving me one bla legally money lo you karem go back. Inonap lo pinisim walk to. Heavy and mi plus province karem. Me like him senis. Me say talk also why? Now all get a prime minister is I pour it. Suppose one bla province is strong. You bla pour it in one em. Suppose New Island em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by strong. Suppose Simbu em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by strong. Suppose Morobe em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by strong. Suppose Central Province em is strong. Western Province em is strong. Suppose all get a province em is strong. Papua New Guinea em by go good. This I me no talk against lo government. I am true bla talk me talk because you bla ogera save I am talk is tablo bel bla. Suppose one bla member or one bla prime minister I me pilim pen lo talk bla me. All right, you send him. No can pilim pen na target man tasol. Des bla pen em blo Papua New Guinea no blo me Allan Bird. Des bla cry no blo me Allan Bird. Em cry blo Papua New Guinea. Responsibility blow tomorrow. How ba you me look out in place? Na all pikinini na tumuna by hamamas na stop long em. Em stop lo hand blow you me all papa na mama all now. Passing blow you me behind money na cargo em must stop. Money na cargo em pass him I blow you me all good plus something. Where you me na blow kiss him. Lo people blow you me.